The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Windsor County in southern Vermont, southeastern Addison County in central Vermont, Rutland County in southern Vermont, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Granville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Castleton, Fairhaven, Proctor, West Rutland, Pittsford, Chittenden, Pittsfield, Stockbridge, Rochester, Hancock. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont. Now the official